I have the amazing opportunity to work with FabClick this this round for their mystery solid pack. And I was asked to do a reveal, and it always makes me nervous to be online. However, here I am, I'm doing it. So this is the package that I got from them, and it's stuffed full. I'm going to open it now. I'm removing the stickers so I can maybe save it. I like to put the stickers on my machines. And I was able to, woohoo! How many of you save your stickers? Alright. So this is one of those ceramic ones, so it won't hurt the fabric. But it cuts into my PFREs pretty good so that I can open them. So, here we go. I have these two amazing colors. I'm so excited. These are colors that I can really work with. I believe that this is dark jade, and this one I believe is aqua. But I'm excited to make something with these, and you'll see me probably spamming on the wall once I do. Just a real quick recap of how they feel. I don't know what is included in a box opening, but this feels really nice. So this looks like they're both cotton lycra. Probably 10 ounce cotton lycra. They feel nice and lush. I'm really excited. These are colors that look good on me. So I will be working with these two. Thank you so much, Dee, and I can't wait to show off what I make with these.